Are you feeling tired, anxious, or perhaps a little bit cursed? Then it's time to grab your cauldron and brew powerful magic with these witchy herbs for healing and protection. From calming chamomile to purifying sage, these mystical plants have been used for centuries to ward off evil spirits, soothe the soul, and banish negative energy. So join us as we delve into the ancient art of herbal witchcraft and unlock the secrets of nature's most potent remedies. Welcome to the world of witchcraft, where the power of nature and magic come together to promote healing and protection. In this video, we'll explore some of the most potent and mystical herbs used by witches throughout history to promote physical and spiritual well-being. From rosemary's soothing effects to eucalyptus' protective properties, we'll delve into the ancient art of herbal witchcraft and discover how these natural remedies can help us banish negative energy, promote positivity, and restore balance to our lives. So grab your mortar and pestle and brew potent magic with these witchy herbs for healing and protection. Number 1. Rosemary. Burn rosemary as incense for a mystical purpose to purge a house of bad energy. Bundles can be hung on your front entrance to deter undesirable visitors, such as burglars. Use dried rosemary in a healing poppet to benefit from its therapeutic qualities, or combine it with the juniper berries and smoke it in a sick room to encourage a speedy recovery. When casting spells, rosemary can be used instead of other plants, like frankincense. When it comes to healing, rosemary can be used in various ways. Use it as a face wash to clear up your epidermis, or a smoother for eczema by turning it into an astringent. Use it directly on sore muscles, aching joints, or even bruises after incorporating it into an oil. To prevent mosquitoes and gnats from biting you while gardening, crush fresh leaves in your palm and rub the oils all over your skin. To soothe an upset tummy, blend it into a light tea and sip on it throughout the day. Although using rosemary in cooking is usually considered safe, pregnant women shouldn't consume it in a large dose. How to use rosemary. Rosemary can be used as a floor sweep to purge your home of bad energy, as a doorway hanging to defend your home, or in a ritual oil to anoint yourself or your magical work. Number 2. Lavender. Lavender has numerous medical applications. A decoction made from the flowers of lavender, horehound, fennel, and asparagus root along with a bit of cinnamon is advised by renowned herbalist Nicholas Culpeper. A decoction made from the flowers of lavender, horehound, fennel, and asparagus root along with a bit of cinnamon is advised by renowned herbalist Nicholas Culpeper to treat epilepsy and other brain illnesses. Since 200 years ago, British Pharmacopoeia has acknowledged lavender tincture as a legitimate medical treatment. According to Judith Ben Hurley's account to The Good Herb, English herbalists use lavender tucked into the cap as a headache remedy and recommended using its oils to keep incisions clean and prevent infection. Regardless of its therapeutic properties, lavender is known for its calming and relaxing effects on the mind and body. Its essential oil is often used as an aromatherapy to promote relaxation, reduce anxiety and stress, and improve sleep quality. Some studies have also suggested that lavender may have pain-relieving properties and can help alleviate symptoms of depression and anxiety. In addition to its therapeutic benefits, lavender is a popular ingredient in spell work and witchcraft. It's used in love, peace, and harmony spells. Lavender is excellent for the skin, just like many other medicinal plants. Use as an astringent by mixing a few droplets of the essential oil with a base of witch hazel. Mix the oil with cold water for cooling comfort and spritz it on mild sunburns. For a more palatable herbal tea, try adding chamomile or honey and some dried lavender to aid in slumber. A few drops of lavender oil or its fresh scent can be inhaled to relieve headaches and calm an anxious or tense mind. Lavender is a common herb in aromatherapy. Number 3. Feverfew. Since ancient times, feverfew has been employed in various medical procedures. Although it can be used to treat fevers, as the name would imply, there are some concerns about how successful this method is. Instead, it has gained acceptance as a tool for managing headache. Amy sweetens a decoction with honey or sugar to treat mild breathing or wheezing. Making a tincture or ointment to apply to insect bites to reduce itching or swelling is a beautiful way to use this herb externally. When brewed into a tea, feverfew is also used to address problems with menstrual cramps and challenging childbirth. Before using feverfew as treatment, speak with a doctor if you're going through either. Number 4. Basil. Though widely used in cooking, basil has some intriguing, magical, and therapeutic qualities. But why is basil considered a food that genuine males shouldn't consume in some nations? Because it is connected to teas used to relieve the discomfort of menstrual cycles. Anti-inflammatory uses for it are also standard. To integrate basil into your healing magic, try some of these techniques. Chewing on recently gathered leaves has several advantages, including reducing cold and cough symptoms and, better yet, leaving your breath smelling clean and new. To elevate pain and itching from insect bites, apply a small amount of oil or extract. To reduce fever and ease headaches, boil the leaves in water to create an infusion that can be taken in small doses every few hours. Gargling with basil water helps soothe irritated throats. Number 5. Apple blossom. Fruits like apples are well known for their therapeutic properties. After all, the proverb, "an apple a day keeps the doctor away," is true. However, you can benefit from the flowers and blossoms even before the fruit develops on the tree. Apple blooms are a type of flower that can be eaten to help with digestive problems. You can add them to your summer salads, just wash them first to eliminate chemicals, pesticides, or creepy crawlers. Use the flowers to make a vinegar infusion that you can use to soothe itchy, painful insect bites or stings. As a treatment for rough, dry skin, a 17th century herbal suggests combining apple blossom extract with rosewater and swine fat. There are many alternatives to using pig fat on your skin if you don't like the concept. Some soft beeswax or unscented cold cream will work too. Number 6. Chamomile. Jethro Kloss advises everyone to gather a bag full of chamomile blossoms as they are excellent for many ailments, and back to Eden. This versatile herb has been used to cure everything from bronchitis and worms to irregular periods and appetite loss. It is combined into a poultice in some nations and put to open wounds to stop gangrene. Chamomile is a well-known herb used for centuries in traditional medicine for its calming and healing effects. It originally came from Europe and Western Asia, but has now grown worldwide. There are 2 main types of chamomile: German chamomile and Roman chamomile. They have similar properties, but German chamomile is more commonly used in herbal medicine. Chamomile is brewed as a tea by steeping the dried flowers in hot water. It has a sweet floral taste and is widely used as a natural remedy for anxiety, insomnia, and digestive problems, such as bloating and indigestion. Some studies have also suggested that chamomile may have anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties and help treat skin conditions like eczema and psoriasis. Along with its therapeutic benefits, chamomile is frequently used in witchcraft and other spiritual practices. It's associated with the sun and is believed to promote relaxation, peaceful sleep, and good fortune. Number 7. Sandalwood. An endangered plant is Indian sandalwood, mainly found in southern India and Nepal. Most sandalwood essential oil in the US and Europe is sourced from Australian sandalwood. Although it has a lower concentration than the other types of sandalwood, this non-endangered variety is still fragrant and well-liked by many aromatherapists. Even though sandalwood plant has many parts, the flower are the most frequently harvested and used. Due to its anti-inflammatory qualities, the essential oil is frequently used in holistic medicine, and some researchers are even examining its effects on cancer and other illnesses. Please consult your doctor before using the oil as an exterior wash for genital inflammations after diluting it with a base. A small amount of rose oil or eucalyptus can be added to the wood to make a fine powder that can be applied to the skin to cleanse it. Number 8. Goldenseal. Goldenseal has been used for medical purposes for many years. Pregnant women should not consume Goldenseal as it can result in uterine spasms. Although it can be ingested, it's best to proceed with care. However, Goldenseal has some advantageous topical uses even without consuming it internally. Use the leaves' antimicrobial wash, which can be made by boiling them in water to treat skin inflammation such as athlete's foot. You can create an eye wash from the root to treat minor eye irritations. Goldenseal can be worn in your medicine cupboard to treat minor cuts and abrasions. Number 9. Eucalyptus. There's a good explanation for why cough medicine frequently tastes and smells like eucalyptus. It has long been a well-liked treatment for lung conditions and colds. The eucalyptus plant leaves extract the oil with several therapeutic uses. Prepare eucalyptus oil and water rinse to gargle to treat oral problems like swollen or inflamed gums and gingivitis. Inhale the vapors after warming the leaves or oil to treat sinus congestion, stuffy noses, and other upper respiratory problems. When you have a cold, mix eucalyptus oil with an unscented base oil like coconut oil and massage it on your chest. Some people think that applying it to the bottoms of the feet can resolve respiratory issues like asthma or congestion. Please consult your healthcare provider before using it to manage asthma. So there you have it, a closer look at some of the most potent and magical herbs for healing and protection. Whether you're a seasoned witch or just starting to explore the world of herbalism, these herbs can help you tap into the earth's natural power and harness it for your well-being. So go ahead and experiment with these herbs and see how they can enhance your physical health, mental clarity, and spiritual growth. Thank you for watching, and as always, may your journey be full of light and magic.